Hi everyone, welcome back. I don't know if you remember last week I said we were going to start on the electrical this week to see what we could do to see if we have electrical being able to sustain inside the trailer. I invited my brother over. He came over, took a look at it because I know nothing about electrical, and this is what we ended up doing. Prior, we had the battery that was sitting here. This thing was just full of all kinds of wires all over the place, a lot of dead wires, a lot of just things that were running to nowhere. All that's left now are the trailer itself for the brake lines and things like that. And we ended up with all this and a battery outside of the trailer. None of it was needed. At this time, you know, I don't have a need for power. If I do, I think I am going to look into the Jackery battery generator thing. It's if you haven't seen it, look them up. It's like having a portable phone charger, but that's 20 times bigger. And now that the electrical's out, we shed about 40 pounds, and we'll start working on now pulling out the rest of these cabinets and rebuilding from there. So let's see how this all looks down the road. Hi everyone. Well, I guess we've had a change in plans for the week. I got recalled for work, and the goal is to see of how much of this trailer I can get done in the next few days. I start in a few days back, and today's the day I want to pull out all the cabinets and see if I can start building the new cabinets. Luckily, it's a small enough trailer. I think I can do all that, and I'll show you my progress as I go. So here's some interior shots of what it looked like before, and a little bit of it afterwards. I haven't finished the trim work on this one. And then I removed those cabinets and ended up with a blank space, which I added some other cabinets, which you'll see in the video here. Okay, so here's where I kind of finished for now. I've got the new benches in for the third bed, and I've got these cabinets, and I still have to attach this piece over here in the corner, but I'm having a hard time getting this angle in over here, but we'll get there. And I have this cabinet. All these tops on these all four cabinets are removable. I have not figured out how I want to do this yet, but I mean, these still come off, so I can have storage. Right now, this one will fit my cooler, or maybe I can put a porta potty in there or something like that. For now, that's out of sight, out of mind. I need to finish the facing over here, but for the most part, it's done. And I need to put it back on the inside of this one because this is too close to the crank. I don't want anything to slip into it. And then new cushions. And then I think for the most part it's done. And I'm hoping my next project will be a short one, which is replacing the flooring. I have some new wood flooring I can use that was given to me. And then hopefully after that, it's on to the roof. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching.